If you don't have the budget or space for a full-size, built-in dishwasher, but still don't want to spend a lot of time scrubbing dirty dishes, it makes sense to buy a countertop dishwasher. There are many products available to best portable countertop dishwasher, 5 washing programs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also accept other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. Portable countertop dishwasher, 5 washing programs. While countertop models look tiny, they can typically fit up to 6 place settings, and generally don't require any additional plumbing other than access to your kitchen faucet. They're also significantly more efficient than trying to hand wash all of your dishes. Number 2. Home Labs Compact Countertop Dishwasher. The Home Labs Compact Countertop Dishwasher provides 6 wash cycle options: heavy, normal, eco, glass, speed, and rinse. There is also a delay button if you need to postpone a cycle to start at a time that's more convenient for you. These are excellent features to rival even full-size dishwashers. This appliance is roomy enough to accommodate 6 place settings, which is ideal for 1 or 2 people households. When it comes to everyday items such as cups and plates, the dishwasher can pack a lot in. Number 3. Black Plus Decker BCD6W Compact Countertop Dishwasher. You won't ever have to spend countless hours washing dishes by hand again with the Black Plus Decker 6-place setting portable dishwasher. This Energy Star appliance is ideal for small spaces with its stylish working countertop and thoughtfully equipped with an LED display featuring remaining cycle time and delay start time of 1-hour increments, up to 24 hours. Let this portable 17.2 high dishwasher do the washing for you while you can go about your day, assured your dishes are thoroughly sanitized and cleaned. Number 4. AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Lucky for you, AIRMSEN AETDQR3 Countertop Dishwasher is just over 18 inches tall and come with a variety of features including in dry mode and tabletop design. This machine comes with hoses to connect it to the kitchen faucet, but what sets it apart is its built-in 5-liter water tank, so it can be operated without tying up your faucet. After installing one in your space, you'll be treated to sparkly pots and grime-free spoons regularly. Number 5. RCA-RDW3208 Countertop Dishwasher, 6-place settings. When you bring to mind the title RCA, straight away the considered neatly constructed, rather priced client electronics involves thoughts. With this superb RCA countertop dishwasher, you'll merely now not be dissatisfied. With digital controls, programmable heavy and standard speeds wash each dish in your house to a glowing shine. This dishwasher is so compact it really works best possible for dorm rooms, small kitchens, and place of business holiday rooms. The chrome steel bathtub, ant flood sensor, and simple cleansing make this RCA